In writing a research paper, a bibliography or list of references is also required. A list of sources such as books, articles, or even websites that you use to research and write your paper makes it easy for someone else to see where you found your information. We could create a reference list manually, but it would take a lot of time and work. And if we ever decide to add more sources or use a different reference style, we'll have to do everything all over again. But if we just take a time to put our sources, then it would be easier for us since it is updated automatically. This can save us a lot of time and help ensure our references are accurate and correct. This time, let us manage our citations and bibliography by adding our sources and then inserting our citations, and later on, producing our reference list. First, we have to click on Style because we will choose the reference style for this particular document. So we have APA, we have Chicago, and at the lower portion, starting from IEEE, they are the ones that are the numbered style for citations. So let us just use APA for this document. Okay, next is we click on Insert Citation. So in Insert Citation, you would see that there are already added sources here. But if you don't have any sources added yet, you could click on Add New Sources, or you could also add if there are still more to place in your document. So we click on Add New Source. And if you click on Type of Sources, you would see that there are a lot of sources that you could actually place in here, from a book to an interview and even a website. So for this one, we will just make use of a book. So for this one here, once you're done filling that out, then you can click on OK. And then it will be added to the list as well here. Granting that we have inputted all of our sources, let's now insert our citations. So for that one, we'll go to the part where we have to insert our citations. Like for this one, we will place one citation here. So I'd place the cursor just before the dot and then click on Insert Citation and choose from the list which one you would insert. Like for example, for this one, I will click on this one. So it's automatically inserted. And then let's have another one. Let's just have 3 for this one. Once done, we go to our last page of the document so that we will be able to insert our reference list. So in here, we will click on Bibliography here because we will have the option to either click on Bibliography if Bibliography is the one that's being used, References if that's the one being used, and you could also have Works Cited. For this one, we will click on References. Once clicked, it will automatically give the list of your sources. There are three easy steps, right? So you could just really change your style if you like. Like, for example, you'd want to have, or it's required that it should be numbered. Let's try to click on IEEE. Your reference list would eventually become numbered automatically. And of course, your citations would also be automatically changed to number, just like this one. So that's how easy to manage our citations and our bibliography or reference list.